You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborsky.
Most founders, they think that they're saving money by doing more in their business. But the cost of founder-led execution isn't just your time. It's your growth, it's your peace, and eventually it affects your team's performance. And let me show you what I mean and what happens when you finally step out of the weeds of trying to do more yourself. I'm Kristen Poborsky, and I help founders rebuild their execution layers of their business using lean systems and AI so that things get done without needing their brain or bandwidth. And this is for you if you're feeling exhausted by always having to be the final touch point for everything, even after you've built a team. You see, a lot of people get stuck in this cycle. Teams asking them for input, projects, they're stalled waiting for their review. And then you have to jump in just to move everything along. And you're always telling yourself it's just for now. But weeks, they turn into months. You're in the DMs, the task board, the content calendar, and your team, they're still dependent upon you, still waiting. And that gets really old. You see, what most people do to try and fix this is they start extending their hours, squeeze in a few more approvals, write a few more SOPs and create those Looms, but none of that helps them to scale. It's just delaying the breakdown. You see, the real cost of execution like this isn't the time that you're spending. It's the decisions you don't make. It's the ideas that you don't pursue and take to market. The revenue you never generate because you're stuck, buried in those backend tasks. It's hidden, but it's real, and it compounds every single month when you stay stuck in the back end. What we do to help business owners get out of this back end execution is we focus on 3 layers. Number 1, you audit the execution links. So where does your team pause and wait for you? That's where the system breaks first. That's the first bottleneck. Then we help by plugging in AI into the workflows. From approvals to task routing to client focus follow-ups, AI does a lot of what your team is currently doing and what you're doing. Then we free up the team to run the systems so that they can do more things on a higher level and your quality improves. Finally, we build decision frameworks so your team can finish all the tasks that they can do without needing your final say every single time. So it's not just saved hours, the result we're giving you by doing these things. It's called momentum. When teams run faster without constant founder improvement, they can actually move faster, close more sales, and actually scale. So one founder that we worked with recently, she was stuck in fixing things daily, even with her team of 4. She thought, I'll just hire another person. That'll fix it. But instead, we ran a quick AI business audit, and we used AI to identify where the bottlenecks were, who we could put into her team to get her out of the bottlenecks, even them out of the bottlenecks. We layered AI into the most manual workflows and gave team clarity on how to move forward without waiting for their boss all the time. Within 30 to 60 days, they went from stalled tasks to being able to proactively execute inside the business. And it allowed this founder to step into true CEO mode. So if you want to see where your execution leaks are, just drop the word diagnose and we'll send you over our AI execution audit. It's a simple framework that will show you exactly where your team is stuck and how to fix it without having to hire another person on your team.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.